Another room tour. This weekend we're in La Crosse at the Charmant Hotel in beautiful downtown La Crosse. Let's give you a quick tour. Here's the entryway when you come in. Got a nice little shelf to put, phone, keys, anything you might need. Walk on in, you got a little bit of space. Nice closet. Closet holds plenty of things. You can fit jackets, there's a safe, drawers. I got my bag down there, there's an ironing board. TV area, some more drawers. There's a little fridge in here. Plenty of storage. Little desk area. Here's our view of the river. Out the two windows. Nice king bed here. Looks very comfortable. And lastly, let's take a quick look at the bathroom. Double vanity here. So his and her own space. They have shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, and body lotion. And a nice rain shower.
So the cost for the room was $434 for the 2 nights. But we used some Chase credit card points and it ended up only costing us 28,000 points. Now if you're interested in credit card points and how we get these trips for cheaper, a coworker and I have started a new channel called Points Before Power. Go over there. We're just starting in, only the first couple of videos up there. But we teach you everything that you want to know about credit card points. The link will be in the description below. Thanks for checking out our room.